find the spot you're gonna do first? Or?
Yeah. It'll be like right here.
Don't do too big of a spot. Yeah, we don't want to like weld through a hole through here.
No.
So we're gonna like tack.
Yeah.
So even over here, if we're not welding, we'll have to bend it around.
Try to bend it. That might be good.
Huh?
That might be good enough.
Want to just go some more?
Hey, well, it's hitting the floor. Here.
Right.
Sweet.
You think that's too tight of an arc? Just take it, check it. Take it out and check it.
Yeah, listen to this. Hold that.
That's too small.
That's too short.
Oh, I thought you were doing the other way. Let's do it the other way. Yeah, that's a good arc.
Oh yeah,
right?
that looks
We'll
good.
cut it here and wherever.
Yeah, yeah. Then this will.
All right, that's good.
Yeah, because we can rotate it around that. All right.
Ah! Just get me a phone.
Yeah.
Ah!
All right, so then we'll cut it and. It looks pretty rough. I might take a grinder to it.
She's on wheel grinder, we got.
Right.
Here's our scrap.
There it is.
If we go to Home Depot for anything,
Yeah.
I want to buy a wire brush wheel for our grinder.
Okay.
Alright? All those
Don't we have one?
all those bolts that I did at work, I could have done here.
Don't we have one of those though? Huh? We're like melting that bag.
Melting what?
Melting that bag.
Is it? It's a little straighter.
No, it's good.
It's hard to tell. It burns. This one a little straighter.
Nah, you don't gotta do that. That'll be on
dangerous.
Yeah.
Oh, the angle. Alright.
Sorry for kidding me.
Where do you want this clamp?
Just on the bottom of it.
On that?
Oh, we should probably disconnect the battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, let's go do that. Oh, hey, that's on fire. Melted the plastic a little bit. Watch out. Okay, so there's that side.
Want to come over here, dude? Stand here.
Nah, let me just hit this.
That angle. You're not over it. You're in front of it.
Right.
You can actually stand in here if you want.
Alright, I'd say it's on there.
Huh?
I'd say it's on there. Should I try to get another more?
Nope. Nope.
Alright.
Let's clean it up.
Let me see the big Jeep. It's ugly, but it's on there.
Ugly.
Yeah, it's real ugly.
Fucking take me.
It lives! It didn't even smoke out the garage too bad.
Huh?
Alright, it's smoking a little bit.
Been sitting for 3 fucking months.
Right, yeah, it has been like 3 months. Sweet.
What's it like having it running again?
It feels good. It doesn't look like it's leaking. Just the fluid film on there.
All
Sweet.
2 parts.